Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English, date May 14, 2021. Let's start with international news. Mayflower 400, world's first unmanned vessel to navigate across Atlantic. A team of researchers from marine research organization ProMar with IBM acting as technology partner recently built the world's first artificial intelligence ship known as the Mayflower 400. Key points. This ship is the world's first unmanned vessel to navigate across the Atlantic Ocean. This ship is 15-meter long trimaran. Trimaran means multi-hull boated, which weighs 9 tons and navigate with complete autonomy. Is preparing for the transatlantic voyage. The trimaran is automated from the robotic rudder as well as steers. It is a diesel-generated solar power panel. It will begin its transatlantic voyage on May 15, 2021 to track aquatic animals, analyze plastics in the water and study marine pollution. It has been built by the marine research organization ProMar in collaboration with IBM. ProMar invested $1 billion along with global contribution in form of technology from India, the United States and Switzerland to build the ship. Brazil suspends use of AstraZeneca vaccine in pregnant women. Brazil federal government on Tuesday nationally suspended the vaccination for pregnant women with the AstraZeneca COVID-19 shots after an expectant mother in Rio de Janeiro died from the stroke, possibly related to inoculations. National news. Assam, first Indian state to have a digital flood reporting system. Vishnu Dua, the Chief Secretary of Assam, launched on May 8, 2021 a digital real-time flood reporting and information management system, in short FRIME, in the state of Assam. With the launch of FRIME, Assam becomes the first Indian state to have a real-time digital flood reporting system. With the Assam is prone to severe flood and erosion every year. FRIME's digital real flood reporting system has been developed jointly by Assam State Disaster Management Agency and UNICEF. Indian COVID-19 variant found in 44 countries, said by WHO. World Health Organization said that the variant of COVID-19 behind the acceleration of India's explosive outbreak has been found in dozens of countries all over the world. The UN Health Agency said the B1617 variant of COVID-19, first found in India in October month, had been detected in more than 4,500 samples uploaded to an open access database from the 44 countries in all 6 WHO regions. Indian origin immunologist Shankar Ghosh elected to National Academy of Science. Shankar Ghosh is a Silverstein and Hutt Family Professor of Microbiology and the Chairman of Department of Microbiology and Immunology at the Vegas College of Physician and Surgeon at Columbia University. He is also a Fellow of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. He was among 120 newly elected members announced by the Academy. The National Academy of Science is a private, non-profitable organization that was established under charter signed by President Abraham Lincoln in 1863. Paytm launches COVID-19 Vaccine Finder. Paytm, a digital financial service platform, on Friday announced the launch of the COVID-19 Vaccine Finder on a mini app store. Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma tweeted that the new COVID-19 vaccine slot finder tool will be available on both Android and iOS devices using the CoWIN API. The Paytm tool takes a real-time data from the CoWIN. CoWIN is a governmental web portal for vaccination registration. Basically, Paytm is a new tool which is acting as an alternative to CoWIN web portal and app. Jana Small Financial Bank launches I Choose My Number. Jana Small Financial Bank today announced the launch of I Choose My Number feature for all its customers across India. This new feature gives the bank's existing and new customers the option to select their favorite number as their savings and current account number. This features of Jana Small Financial Bank will allow its customer to choose their favorite number as the last 10 digit of their bank account, savings or current. The allocation of the account number chosen by the customer will be subject to availability of the requested number. COVID-19 in India, patients are rare hit by fungal black fungus. COVID-19 patients are developing a rare fungal infection called black fungus. Starting in the airway, it spreads to the body, and infection will often start as the sinus and lungs. They spread through the bone and other tissue of the body. In worst cases, the black fungus infection can attack the eye and brain. It is a fatal condition. After an operation to stop an infection, patient faces often appears as if mutilated or totally disfigured. But the fact is, doctors in India are diagnosing the black fungal, medically known as mucormycosis, and more in COVID-19 patients. The patients with the weakened immune system or the high risk of highly prone to mucormycosis. Union government approves production linked incentive scheme for advanced chemistry cell battery storage. The Union government has approved the production linked incentive scheme for the advanced chemistry cell, in short ACC, battery storage, with an outlay of 80,100 crore rupees. Mission Cabinet meeting, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said the move aims to achieve a manufacturing capacity of 50 gigawatt hour of ACC and 5 gigawatt hour of niche ACC with an outlay of 80,100 crore rupees. It will also give a big push to electric mobility, benefiting 3-wheelers, 4-wheelers and heavy vehicles. India is currently importing battery storage equipment worth 20,000 crore rupees, and scheme will be helpful in making the country self-reliant. Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. IREDA conferred with the Green Urja Award. The Indian Chamber of Commerce on May 11, 2021 conferred the Indian Renewable Energy Department Agency, in short IREDA, with the Green Urja Award. The agency has been awarded for being the leading public institution in financial institution for renewable energy. Achievements. The prestigious award was received by the chairman of IREDA, Pradeep Kumar Das, from the Director General, International Solar Alliance, Director Ajay Mathur. So, both the person are honoring for this award. The chairman of the ICC National Export Committee, Anil Razdan, was also present during a virtual ceremony. He is honored to receive this recognition on behalf of IREDA. He added the award recognizes IRDA's immense contribution to the development of renewable energy sector in line with Modi's vision Atmanirbhar Bharat. Ivermectin medicine for COVID-19 patients. Despite a raging debate on the efficacy of ivermectin in treating COVID-19, Goa has decided to administer the anti-parasite drug to everyone above age 18-year-old in the state of irrespective of symptoms. The World Health Organization has warned against the general and unchecked use of ivermectin. Uses of this drug. It is an oral drug used to treat parasitic infection. The drug has been mainly used in creams and lotion for head lice. Ivermectin in tablet form has been approved by the US Food and Drug Administration to treat intestinal disorders. It also used to treat scabies. The Uttarakhand and Karnataka government has announced that the ivermectin tablets will be distributed among the citizens to prevent the spread of COVID-19 infections. Covaxin recommended for trial on 2 to 18 age group people. India expert panel of Central Drugs Standard Control Organization has recommended Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, for second and third phase trial in children aged between 2 to 18 years group. With 25 participants, the trial is expected to take place at various sites including AIIMS, Delhi, AIIMS Patna and Medtrina Institute of Medical Science located in Nagpur. Tamil Nadu news. Sterling stent to KL Medical Oxygen to Tirunelveli Hospital. Sterlite Copper functioning in Thuthukudi seaport premises has sent its first load of medical grade oxygen weighing 4.82 kl to nearby Tirunelveli Medical College Hospital on Thursday. District Collector Dr. K. Sendil Raj fact of the consignment. The collector also the court appointed Chairman Monitoring Committee said that the 4.82 kl liquid oxygen of 98.6% purity was checked at quality control premises. Appointments. Ujjwala Singhania is the 38th National President of FICCI Ladies Organization. As the 38th National President of FLO, Singhania will focus on empowering women by facilitating and enabling environment that promote entrepreneurship, industry participation and economic development of women. Under her leadership, FLO will carry out many interventions towards fostering larger contribution of women in India's industrial and economic growth story. Awards. Dr. Tahira Kutbuddin became the first Indian to win Sheikh Syed Book Award. Dr. Tahira Kutbuddin has become the first person from India to win prestigious Sheikh Syed Book Award. The Mumbai-born professor won the honor for her book called Arabic Oration, Art and Function, which was published by Brill Academic Publishers. Dr. Tahira is a US citizen who was born into the prominent Kutbuddin family in India and grew up in southern Mumbai. She will be presented with the award later this month at Abu Dhabi. She has been named the winner of the 15th Sheikh Syed Book Award. Expected questions. Question number 1. Name the world first artificial intelligence AI ship. Option A, Mayflower 400. Option B, Osa Home. Option C, Thomas Porete. Option D, Wolfram John. Answer, Mayflower 400. Question number 2. Which company developed Mayflower 400? Option A, Samsung Heavy Industries. Option B, Fincontri Spa. Option C, Promam and IBM. Option D, Hyundai and Heavy Industries. Answer, Promer and IBM. Question number 3. Which Indian state to have first digital flood reporting system? Option A, Assam. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Bihar. Answer, Assam. Question number 4. Who developed the digital flood reporting system? Option A, Bihar State Disaster Management Agency and UNICEF. Option B, Gujarat State Disaster Management Agency and UNICEF. Option C, Maharashtra State Disaster Management Agency and UNICEF. Option D, Assam State Disaster Management Agency and UNICEF. Answer, Assam State Disaster Management Agency and UNICEF. Question number 5. Indian COVID-19 variant found in 44 countries. Said by which organization? Option A, UNESCO. Option B, UNICEF. Option C, WTO. Option D, WHO. Answer, World Health Organization, WHO. Question number 6. What is National Science Academy? Option A, Science and Technology Institute. Option B, Private and Non-Profit Organization. Option C, Educational Institute. Option D, none of the above. Answer, Private and Non-Profit Organization Institute. Question number 7. Which digital financial service found new COVID-19 slot finder tool? Option A, Google Pay. Option B, Dani. Option C, Mobivic. Option D, Paytm. Answer, Paytm. Question number 8. Which bank launched I Choose My Number Future? Option A, Ujjivan Small Financial Bank. Option B, Jana Sumal Financial Bank. Option C, Equitas Small Financial Bank. Option D, Finecare Small Financial Bank. Answer, Jana Sumal Financial Bank. Question number 9. How much fund allocated to manufacture ACC type battery by Union Ministry? Option A, 18,000 crore. Option B, 22,000 crore. Option C, 26,000 crore. Option D, 13,000 crore. Answer, 18,000 crore. Question number 10. Which organization recommended for trial the corona vaccine for 2 to 18 age people? Option A, WHO. Option B, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Option C, WTO. Option D, UNESCO. Answer, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Question number 11. Which organization conferred with the Green Urja Award? Option A, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. Option B, Synergy Green Industries Limited. Option C, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. Option D, Ujas Energy Limited. Answer, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. Question number 12. Who is appointed as the President of FICCI Ladies Organization? Option A, Uday Shankar. Option B, Ujjwala Singhania. Option C, Sangeeta Reddy. Option D, Rajesh Shah. Answer, Ujjwala Singhania. Question number 13. Who is the first Indian to win Sheikh Syed Book Award? Option A, Dr. Tahira Kutbuddin. Option B, Mohammad Pinasa. Option C, Salma Katra Jayusi. Option D, Nicholas Halsey. Answer, Dr. Tahira Kutbuddin. For the daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.